Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, I slept well.
What do you want for breakfast?
I'd like pancakes, please.
Is there any coffee left?
Yes, I made a fresh pot.
Should we open the windows for fresh air?
Yes, it feels stuffy in here.
Did you hear the birds this morning?
Yes, they were so loud.
Can you vacuum the living room today?
Sure, I'll do it after breakfast.
Should we clean the windows this weekend?
Yes, they're very dirty.
Is it your turn to take out the trash?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Where's the mop?
It's in the storage closet.
Can you help me fold the laundry?
Of course. Let me finish this first.
What should we cook for lunch?
Let's make pasta with a salad.
Do we have all the ingredients?
I think we need more tomatoes.
Can you chop the onions while I boil the pasta?
Sure, I'll do that.
Should we bake a cake for dessert?
Yes, chocolate cake sounds good.
Is the rice cooker on?
Yes, it'll be ready in 20 minutes.
Should we play a board game tonight?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Do you want to watch a movie together?
Sure, let's pick a comedy.
Can we go for a walk after dinner?
Yes, it'll be good to stretch our legs.
What book are you reading?
I'm reading a mystery novel.
Do you want to help me with this puzzle?
Yes, I love puzzles.
Did you pay the electricity bill?
Yes, I paid it online yesterday.
Should we clean the fridge this weekend?
Yes, some food is expired.
Is the washing machine working fine?
Yes, but it's making some noise.
Do we need to call a plumber for the sink?
Yes, it's leaking again.
Should we make a list for grocery shopping?
Yes, we're running out of many things.
What should we have for dinner?
How about ordering pizza?
Do you want to set the table?
Sure, I'll do it now.
Should we light some candles for dinner?
Yes, that'll be cozy.
Are you going to watch TV after dinner?
Yes, there's a good show on tonight.
Do you want to have some tea before bed?
Yes, let's make some chamomile tea.
Are you busy right now?
No, what's up?
Can I borrow your laptop for a bit?
Sure, just don't close my tabs.
Should we plan the weekend together?
Yes, let's make a schedule.
Do you want to go jogging tomorrow morning?
Yes, let's leave at 7 a.m.
Have you called your parents today?
Not yet, I'll do it this evening.
Should we rearrange the furniture?
Yes, the living room feels crowded.
What color curtains do you think we should buy?
Light blue would look nice.
Can we put up some new photos on the wall?
Yes, let's print some this weekend.
Do we need more cushions for the sofa?
Yes, 2 more would be perfect.
Should we buy some plants for the balcony?
Yes, they'll make the space feel fresh.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I just completed it.
Should we play outside after dinner?
Yes, let's play football.
What do you want for lunch, sweetie?
Can I have a sandwich, please?
Did you tidy up your room?
Yes, I cleaned it this morning.
Can we read a bedtime story tonight?
Of course. Which one do you want to hear?
Did you fix the light in the hallway?
Not yet. I'll do it after dinner.
Is the internet connection still slow?
Yes, we should call the provider.
Should we buy a new chair for the study?
Yes, this one is uncomfortable.
Did the package arrive today?
Yes, it's on the kitchen table.
Should we get a new vacuum cleaner?
Yes, the old one doesn't work well.
Where should we go for our vacation?
How about the mountains?
Should we book flights or drive there?
Let's book flights to save time.
Do we need to apply for a visa?
Yes, it's required for international travel.
What's the best time to visit this place?
Spring is the best season to go.
Should we book a hotel in advance?
Yes, it's better to plan ahead.
What time do we need to check in?
At least 2 hours before the flight.
Where is our departure gate?
It's gate 23 on the right.
Do you have your boarding pass?
Yes, I downloaded it on my phone.
Should we grab something to eat before boarding?
Yes, there's time for a quick snack.
How long is the flight?
About 4 hours.
Do you want the aisle or window seat?
I'll take the window seat.
Can I store my bag in the overhead bin?
Yes, there's plenty of space.
Would you like a drink?
Yes. I'll have some water, please.
Should we watch a movie during the flight?
Yes. Let's pick one together.
Is this your first time flying?
No, but I still get a little nervous.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name John Smith.
What time is check-in?
It's at 2 p.m.
Should we ask for a room with a view?
Yes, that would be nice.
Is breakfast included in our stay?
Yes, it's complimentary.
Where is the nearest tourist spot from here?
It's just a 10-minute walk.
Should we take a bus tour?
Yes, it's a great way to see everything.
Do you want to visit the museum first?
Sure, I love museums.
Where should we go for lunch?
Let's try a local restaurant.
Is there a market nearby?
Yes, it's famous for handmade souvenirs.
Should we buy tickets for the concert tonight?
Yes, it'll be a fun experience.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
It's down the street on the left.
How far is the train station from here?
About a 15-minute walk?
Should we take a taxi to the hotel?
Yes, it's more convenient.
Is this the right platform for our train?
Yes, it should arrive in 5 minutes.
Can you show me how to get to this address?
Sure, just go straight and turn right.
What's the local specialty here?
It's seafood, especially grilled fish.
Should we try the street food?
Yes, it looks fresh and delicious.
Is this restaurant popular with locals?
Yes, it's highly recommended.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, let's try the local sweets.
How do you say thank you in their language?
It's gracias.
Should we take a guided tour?
Yes, we'll learn more that way.
Do you want to take some photos here?
Yes, the view is amazing.
How much is the entrance fee?
It's $10 per person.
Should we rent an audio guide?
Yes, it'll explain the history better.
Is this the famous landmark we heard about?
Yes, it's the most visited spot in the city.
What kind of souvenirs should we buy?
Let's get magnets and postcards.
How much is this handmade bag?
It's $25, but we might be able to bargain.
Should we buy gifts for friends back home?
Yes, small items like keychains are perfect.
Is this shop popular among tourists?
Yes, it has great reviews online.
Should we pay in cash or card?
Cash is better in small shops.
What time is our flight back?
It's at 9 p.m. tonight.
Should we leave early for the airport?
Yes, to avoid traffic.
Do we have space in our bags for souvenirs?
Yes, I made some room.
How was the trip overall?
It was amazing. I had a great time.
Should we plan our next vacation soon?
Yes. Let's start looking for new places.